Social story. Noises from your bottom. These noises. What do we do about it? Well, we all have different words for these noises. Passing or breaking wind. Blowing off. Bottom burps. Trumping or pumping. Farting or guffing. Our stomachs produce gases when it digests our food, and these gases have to go somewhere. The medical word for this is flatulence, which is because of the foods we eat. It's an after effect of the productive system. Whilst it's normal and natural, it can be noisy, smelly and embarrassing, and others will not want to be with you, which is why most of us do not trump in public. Farts are considered very rude, especially in a classroom. This causes our friends to laugh and it distracts everyone. You must learn to notice when you feel the wind building up inside. Everyone has it. We just need to learn the right place to release it, or we need to practice holding it in. So tips to reduce flatulence. Don't chew gum or suck lots of sweets. Don't suck pen lids and have a good look at the food you eat. There are rules for passing wind. Only fart in your own bed. Do not blow off at the table, in class or on public transport. Try to remember to go to the toilet to release the gases in private. A bathroom is the usual place you would go if you need to pass wind. Classmates and friends will be really happy, and parents and teachers will be very proud, and you will feel more confident knowing that you have good manners.